What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Nor32 Nico Esme channel. Today I'm really excited to be unboxing a piece of gear that I've been looking forward to checking out. It's the Thule Paramount Crossbody 2L in black. Now if you're familiar with Thule, you know they're all about quality, durability and really smart design. I've been on the hunt for a compact, versatile bag for my everyday essentials, and this one seems to tick all the boxes. So let's get this thing open and see what it's all about. And here it is, the Thule Paramount Crossbody 2L. It's a really sleek all-black design. Let's take a closer look at the details. First impressions right out of the box, this feels really premium. The material is a sturdy 420D nylon fabric, and it has a nice, clean, modern look to it. It's also got a water-resistant finish, which is a huge plus for me, especially since it's free from those harmful PFCs. One of the first things you'll notice are the premium YKK zippers. These are known for their durability and smooth operation. The base of the bag also has a coated material for extra protection, so you don't have to worry about setting it down on rough surfaces. Now, let's talk about storage and organization, because that's where this bag really shines. The main compartment has this top zip opening that gives you a really wide view of the inside, so you're not fumbling around to find your stuff. Inside we've got this zippered divider panel. This is perfect for keeping your phone, passport, or a small charger separate and secure. And look at this small mesh slip pockets to keep your cables and cords from turning into a tangled mess. We've all been there, right? Another really thoughtful feature is this key fob lash. You can clip your keys right here and you'll always know where to find them. No more digging around in the bottom of your bag. There are also front and back compartments for even more organization. I can see this being really handy for things you need to grab quickly, like your transit pass or some cash. Now let's talk about how you carry it. The shoulder strap is adjustable, of course, and what's really cool is that you can wear this bag in a bunch of different ways. You can wear it in the front, on your back, or at your side. But here's a really clever design element. You can actually remove the shoulder strap completely and use this as an organizer inside a larger bag. So, it's like a bag in a bag. Super versatile. They've even included these discreet loops on the shoulder strap where you can hang your sunglasses or other small gear. And for those of you who bike or are out at night, there's a bike light loop and reflective details to help you stay visible. Thule really thinks of everything. So, my initial thoughts on the Thule Paramount Crossbody 2L? I'm really impressed. The build quality is top-notch. The design is sleek and modern, and the level of organization in a bag this size is just fantastic. It feels like the perfect companion for your daily commute, a day out in the city, or even for travel. I'm going to be putting this bag to the test over the next few weeks, so make sure you're subscribed to see how it holds up. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Thule Paramount Crossbody 2L and what you'd use it for. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.